Hi, my name is Nadir. I'm going to be displaying the CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript Wiki Project 1. I'm going to go through every specification, starting with entry page, which was to allow the user to type in wiki here in the top search bar, /wiki, and then /any title. So for example, CSS. Hit the enter button and it does bring us to that correct page. The viewer should get some content, and for example, if the title does not exist and we do hit enter, we do see a not found or answer here showing us that the page actually is not or does not exist. Next was index page, which was to update index.html such that the user should be able to click on any of the results here and be brought to that page. So we see here that we do have test pages here, but if we do click on Django, we can see that it does bring us to Django. If we go back home and click on HTML, it does bring us to HTML, which is allowing us, the user, to actually click on that and brings us to the correct page. Search should allow the user to search in the query box and bring up the query of whatever he types in. So for example, if I type in Git here, should be brought to Git and GitHub, and it is working correctly. If we do type in something that does not exist, a page that is not a part of our list here, we do get sent to a page showing none. The page does not exist, and so that is working correctly as well. Next was new page, or create a new page, and we can see here if we create a new page, we do have an entry for a title. So we can type in hello here, and we can type in this is a test. And we can come down here. We also needed to have a save button. If there is a save button, we can see that it already exists. So this shows one of our other functions that should allow the user to be able to know that a page already exists. So if we go home, we do see that test does already exist. Here it's listed. So if we can go back to create a new page and we can type in, hello does exist. This is already listed here. We can go back to create a new page and we can type in test2 and we can go test, and then we can come down and save that, and there we go. We do see that test was saved. We come back home and test2 is saved under the list of pages that we have available for the user to click on. Next was to edit a page, which would allow the user to edit a page that already exists and edit the actual text that exists or the title. So if we come in here, we see that we have all this listed. We can come down here after this and type in this is a test. We hit save, and we do see that that has been saved and edited, and the page is now different depending on how I edit the page, and therefore I can add or take away any data. We can try to delete some data. We can take away the last line here, keep this as a test, and we can see that that was also deleted. And so the edit page is also working correctly. We can also try to edit the title as well, and we'll hit that there and we'll hit save, and that does work as well. Next was random page, which would allow the user, by clicking on random page, your user should be taken to a random encyclopedia entry. We go on random page, we're taking a test, we see that we're taking a CSS, we see that we're taking a Python, we're taking back to CSS. So the random page is working, and we're being taken to a random entry that we have available of the list of pages that we have available, and we're back to this page that we just edited. And so that does wrap up all of the specifications that we were required to fulfill. If anyone has any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.